In this video, I'll be showing you how you can link your Bybit to your TONKeeper. Now, I want you to head to the main interface or your Bybit application and then click the assets on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you head into this interface, we have to generate a wallet address since we want to link our Bybit to TONKeeper. So click the deposit here and then deposit a crypto. Now click the asset or crypto that you want to send or deposit. Now, as you can see, it has generated this QR code and also the wallet address. Now, we just need to click the wallet address copy icon on the right side. And then let's head back to our TONKeeper application. Now, this is the TONKeeper. How you can link this wallet address to TONKeeper. Just click this under here and then paste the wallet address that we copied earlier and enter the amount of TONKeeper, the TON that you want to send. And as you can see, it has a red indicator since this TONKeeper wallet doesn't have any amount of TON. But basically, that's it. That's how you can link your Bybit to your TONKeeper. And thank you for listening.